Okay, so let's look at an example of Shellshock. In no way is it as bad as Heartbleed, but it could lead to some malicious code. So it's a flaw within the bash shell processing, and what happens is that if we have a function, so in this case we have a function called test4, and that's the function there. It's got nothing in it really, and then at the end of it we're saying this is some text. We're going to exit some text here, and what happens with the flaw is that whenever there's a function with some text after it, it is executed after we run the bash shell when we export a variable string. So let's enter that. Okay, so we can have a look at that. So there's our test bug 4. So then what we do is that to test it, we just basically run a bash shell to output the string. So we're going to say hello, echo hello. So remember, this can happen in a lot of programs that we run, where we're running it through the bash shell and parameters are passed into it. So at this point an intruder could actually insert code into our running program. Okay, so there we go. So all the ones that actually had an extra export on them have actually been printed. Okay, all of these ones here, because there's a bug, there was a function, whatever happens after the function is actually echoed. So the echo could actually be malicious code that could actually be run. So here's Ubuntu 64-bit. I'm just going to do the same thing. Okay, so we'll create a new function called testbug3, and then I'm going to do the same again, and there it's there. Okay, so you see what's happening with the bug. The extra code at the end of the function is being displayed purely by us exporting a string to the output.